You reach down for your shoes, and your whole body tilts unexpectedly to one side. You stand on one leg to put on your pants, and for a moment you sway. You walk down the hallway, and you feel one hip drop just slightly lower than the other. You catch yourself grabbing the countertop again. That small wobble, that quiet unevenness, it's familiar, isn't it? It shows up in the morning when you least expect it. And sometimes, it leaves you wondering if your balance is quietly slipping away. This isn't weakness. It's uneven awareness. One side of your body has stayed wide awake, doing the work holding you upright, while the other side has simply grown quiet. For years, people have told you this is just age, that it's what happens after 60, that your muscles weaken and your balance fades. But what if it's not your age? What if it's your timing? That flash of fear you feel when you tilt too far, it's real. That frustration when you have to steady yourself, completely valid. But it doesn't mean your body is failing you. It simply means one side stopped listening and the signal got delayed. Your body isn't broken, it's just out of sync.
And here's the hopeful part. That quiet side can wake up again.
The connection can return. The rhythm can be restored.
In this video, we'll find that imbalance together.
And by the end, you'll feel that quiet side switch back on gently, safely, in your own rhythm. We are the Age Strong family, spanning every corner of the world. Tell us your name and where you're watching from today. Because balance isn't just physical, it's community too. 2. The signal. What's really happening? When we feel that sudden sway, our first instinct is to blame our feet, or maybe our knees. But the real command center for your balance, especially when you're standing on one leg, isn't where you think it is. Inside your body, a quiet conversation is happening every second between your hips and your brain. One side sends a signal the moment your foot leaves the floor, the other just a little late. And that tiny delay, smaller than a blink, is enough to make your whole body wobble. Your balance doesn't start in your feet. It starts in your side. Deep in your side hip lives a small, powerful muscle called the gluteus medius. It's the hidden stabilizer that keeps your pelvis level. The instant you lift one foot, it's supposed to fire holding you steady so you don't topple over. But when that signal is late, your hip drops first. Your body scrambles to recover. That's the moment you feel the tilt, the little panic, the need to grab the wall or the counter. It's not weakness, it's lag time. And scientists have measured it. Studies from Harvard and the Mayo Clinic show that this hip activation delay is one of the clearest early signs of fall risk after 60. Not because the muscle is gone, but because it's gone quiet. Here's what's fascinating. This isn't about how strong you are. It's about how fast the message travels. Your hips don't need to be bigger or harder. They just need to respond on time. The muscle on your quiet side hasn't disappeared. It's simply forgotten when to wake up.
Our goal today isn't to build it, it's to remind it, to turn the light back on.
Now think about your own day. When do you notice that imbalance the most? Is it when you're turning to reach something? When you're getting dressed? Or maybe when you step down from a curb? Share it with the community in the comments below, because the more we notice these patterns, the faster we can retrain them together. 3. The practice. How to reawaken it. We are going to retrain that signal with 3 simple, safe microdrills. Please use a wall or a sturdy chair for light support. Safety always comes first. Drill 1. The side hover. Stand tall. Shift your weight onto one leg. Let's say your right leg. Now slowly lift your left foot just 1 inch off the floor. Just hover. Feel that muscle on the side of your standing hip. That's it. That's the one. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly lower. It's perfectly okay if you feel a tremble or a shake. That's not weakness. That's your signal waking up. Maybe for the first time in a long time. Now let's try the other side. Shift to your left leg. Hover the right. Does it feel different? Is one side rock solid and the other shaky? That's the imbalance we're fixing. Drill 2. The wall glide. Stand with your quiet hip next to a wall. Foot about 6 inches away. Gently press that side hip into the wall. You're not pushing hard. You're just connecting. Hold that gentle connection. Feel the muscle engage. You are teaching your brain where that signal is supposed to go. It's a tiny, tiny movement, but it sends a big, clear message. Your brain is listening again. Drill 3. The step tap. Stand tall, holding your support. Lift your right leg. Step forward, and just tap your toe. Bring it back to center. Lift your left leg. Step forward, tap, and bring it back. The key is to feel your standing hip doing the work. Don't let it drop. Do you see? Balance isn't built by force or by big, fast movements. It's built by timing. It's built by precision. Go ahead and pause the video. Try one round of the side hover with me. Right now, using your chair. Feel your hips align. Feel that muscle wake up. Partus. Real-world reinforcement. Make it a habit.
You've woken the muscle up. Now we have to make that connection automatic.
We do this by habit stacking, linking new signals to the things you already do every single day. You don't need a 30-minute workout. You need 30-second signals 10 times a day. Here's how. While brushing your teeth, you're standing at the sink anyway. For the first minute, stand on your right leg. Feel that hip hold you steady. For the second minute, switch to your left. That's 2 minutes of balance training hidden inside your morning routine. Remember this. Consistency always beats intensity. Your brain doesn't learn from one big, exhausting effort. It learns from rhythm, from repetition. Next, while waiting for the kettle or the microwave, stand with your quiet side toward the counter. Do a gentle wall glide press. Connect. Remind that muscle it has a job. And while folding laundry, let your movements flow. 10-step taps on each side. Tap, return. Tap, return. Make it rhythmic. Make it smooth.
These are not exercises right now. They're conversations with your body.
The data backs it up. Studies from the Harvard Center for Balance show that consistent daily micro-practice can reduce fall risk by 40% in just 4 weeks. Why? Because repetition rewires speed. At first, the signal is like a narrow, overgrown footpath in the woods. You have to think about every step. After a week of daily taps and hovers, that path becomes clearer. After a month, it's a bright, wide highway, a signal that moves before you even realize it. You lift your foot, and the muscle fires instantly. That's automatic balance. That's stability. That's freedom. We are a community of action. If you've practiced any of your balance drills this week, even one comment, still strong below. Because every small signal you rebuild adds up, and together, they become your strength. 5. Real-life application. See it in action. A few weeks pass. The kettle clicks off. The same kitchen. The same quiet morning light. But something feels different now. You reach down for your shoes, And this time your body holds steady. No sudden lean, no tilt to one side, just quiet control. That small wobble that used to appear without warning, it's gone. The muscle that once hesitated now fires before you even think about it. You can feel it. The steadiness, the predictability. You stand tall and lift one leg to put on your pants. No panic, no reach for the wall. Your hips stay level, balanced, calm. It's the same moment that once made you doubt your body. Now it makes you trust it again. That's the shift. The quiet miracle of awareness returning. You walk down the hallway, and your stride is smooth. One foot gliding after the other. Your hips stay even, your shoulders relaxed. The floor feels steady beneath you. There's a quiet confidence in every step. Not pride, but peace. Think about this. Your muscle strength didn't magically change overnight. Your awareness did. What you trained wasn't power, it was precision. You taught your brain and your body to talk again. And this time, they're in sync. You didn't just rebuild a muscle, you restored a conversation. You reminded your nervous system what safety feels like. And that awareness, that living dialogue between hip, foot, and mind, is what true balance is made of. It's not control, it's communication. Not force, but flow. Not effort, but understanding. You took that uneven, out of sync feeling and turned it into rhythm, into quiet timing, into trust. And in doing that, you rediscovered something even deeper than balance. You rediscovered your own confidence, the steady voice of your body saying, I remember how to stand again. 6. Closing. Re-anchor to identity. Today, you did more than move. You listened. You listened to your body's quiet side.
And reminded it that it still belongs in the conversation. You didn't just steady your step.
You rebuilt trust. You found the source of the imbalance. And you rebalanced that quiet side.
That wobble wasn't a flaw, it was your body asking for attention. And you answered with patience.
Awareness and care. This is what age strong means. You are not fragile. You are adaptive. You are capable of rewiring, resyncing, and rebuilding. And you've already proven it.
One calm moment at a time. Take a second to ground that truth. Write in the comments.
I am rebuilding my signals. It's not just words. It's a reminder of what your body can still do.
If this video helped you find balance again, share it with someone you love.
Someone who might still be afraid of that quiet sway on one side. Your experience could help them.
Stand a little steadier too. Stay curious, stay consistent, and keep rising.